Here I am looking at, look what we have here. Yeah, in this store, this is why I like Burlington. You get trend a lot here. To be honest with you, both burgundies. Look at that, the burgundy trend. Look at that. This is so cool. This is 2-piece set for 24.99. Right, they have it in different sizes, same price. Okay. All right. Look at that. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Thanks for clicking. You will love it here, trust me. Today I'm at Burlington. All right. Here you get quality at affordable rate. This one is like CK for that price, 24.99. You can never go wrong. A good dress for that matter. Here we have this wear 2% for 24.99. Interesting. And here we have more pieces. These are brand new in the store, fresh in the store. Look at this peplum top. We are all about peplum. You will see lots of peplum this season. $12.99. This season, next season, you will see lots of peplum. Look, if you have peplum in your wardrobe, bring them out. If you don't, come to Burlington. This is a very good sweater with this button detail on the shoulder. And this one is $12.99. It's available in different sizes. I'm seeing this in size extra large, medium. Okay, and look at this. This is by Nike. The quality is excellent. Out of this one, I'm loving. And this one is $24.99. And here we have these pleated skirts. Look at that. This is a midi skirt. $16.99. Not bad. And here we have these straps. Look at that. Yeah, if you are all about stripes trend, you can get away with this. Get a stripes blazer, or even plain blazer. You're good to go. You will be represented. Look at this sweater. And this sweater is $16. Available in different sizes, same price. And here we have this one by CK, and this one is $24.99. Okay, these are new in the store. I love to show you their newest pieces in the store, so that by the time you go to the store, let's say this week, next week, I'm sure you are likely to still see them in the store. Okay, and here this one is $21.99. Interesting. And here you go. I have pants like these. I got by Anna Taylor. Yeah, same style. Super high waisted for $29.99. And this one is by CK. Very good. And here we have this. Look at this puffy sleeveless jacket for $29.99. Is available in other sizes, brand new, newest in the store. And I love the fact that this is high neck. Look at this, very cool. And I love the color. Yeah, this feels like butter. Good. And they have it in color black, $29.99, same price. And here we have this white college. And this, it feels good. And this one is $16.99. All right, let's check out all the sections. Come with me. I'm at the handbag section. Here I am looking at this bag. Look, I love the structure. Yeah, it's somehow sludgy. My $10.99. Okay, and I have this one here. This is by St. Martin, and This one is 29.99 cents. It's 29.99 cents, okay? And more bags down here. I'm looking at this very well structured one by True Religion. I've seen this somewhere else. I think I saw this at TJ Maxx, $29.99. Not bad. And here you go. Look what we have here. What do you think? What do you have in mind when you saw this bag? Let me know in the comment section. $27.99. Okay, we have this one up here by DKNY, and this is on sale for $24.99. Interesting. And this structured one by Zozo, and this one is $14.99. Here we have this backpack, and this one is $26.99. Okay, yeah, take a look at this. This is something I can pay for. This will be perfect for traveling. It's big enough. I love the size. And let's see, store price for this is $32.99. Not bad. Okay, and here we have this one by Guess. This one is medium size. For how much is this? This one is $42.99, and we have this one right here for $19.99. Right. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate your support. If you're new here, welcome. Look, this is $29.99. So if you like my type of video, please give me a thumbs up, share this video, comments. Let me know the sections you want me to take you to. I'll try my best to do that. This one is $27.99. They have lots of sunnies here. Look, this. Yeah, right. This is $7.99 by Vince Camuto. Same style. And here we have this one for $6.99. Okay. And here Rampage. This one is by Rampage. And look up here, Rampage. Right. And also True Religion. Okay. And this one's at $7.99. Not bad. This is cool. Yeah. $7.99. That's a good deal if you ask me. Their prices are way better than what I have been seeing other stores, other places. Yes. Interesting. Okay. Alright, let's check out what they have. It's a shoe section. Let's quickly see what is happening here. I'm loving this boot. Look at the heel. Black heel. This must be very comfortable. Pointy toe. Look at this. This looks really classic. I'm loving this for $24.99. Not bad. Who made this? It's not a popular brand. But this is a good one, to be honest. And here we have this leather one. This looks good. Look at the heels. And this one is by Vince Camuto, and this is $27.99. I'll definitely go for this. This is a good level than this one and this one. However, I love this style better than this. This is actually very classic. I love it. And here we have this one. Look what we have here by Fishers. Store price is not okay. Store price $26.99. And we have this boot here. Look, this is $24.99. Most of their boots are $24.99. Up here is a Western boot, but this is on sale for $20.99. Look, $20.99. I'm looking at sneakers for $24.99. This is by this brand. I don't know. They have started doing all these Ross do. I don't know. You don't want people to, check out what they are paying for $19.99. I don't understand. This Reebok. I love the color combo here. It's very cool. And this one is $14.99. There I need the store. Look what we have here. If you are all about this available Ross $19.99. And this by maxx. And this one is $29.99. Alright, if you made it to this point, thank you so much for watching. Alright, I appreciate your time. As I said before, please share this video if you like it. Look at this word for $19.99. Okay, share this video to others. And until next time, bye for now. This is on sale for $42. Very good. Okay.